this good?
Yeah, use that face.
Glasses on or off?
What? Ah! Woo! You're watching Vintage TV. You're watching Vintage TV. You're watching Vintage TV.
You said that you've owned this car for 40 years?
That's correct. It was my first car.
There's something extra unique about why this car is here.
This had always been one of your dream cars that you wanted to own.
This is a true hobby of love. You can't make money doing something like this. You have to do it because you really want to.
I want all of y'all from Portsmouth, Zane, and friends in Bluefield.
We're at the big Blessid Union of Souls benefit concert, and we're ready to hear the guys play.
And now we got some friends in Mathews, is that right? Oh, Virginia.
Usually I'm in the dressing room drinking all the water.
Right, he's getting massage, making calls,
Pedicure.
talking to his publicist.
Oh, Virginia. All my friends are there to greet me. Just a smile down 64 along the open road.
The inner fender well in the trunk was duct taped to the trunk floor.
Me doing my part of recycling. I get a lot of comments about that.
Oh, I bet. Congratulations! Woo!
Don't poke anyone in the face.
Here.
This is vintage.